Okay, so recently, Elon Musk made a statement that spread very fast online. He suggested that in the future, there may be no need to save money at all because artificial intelligence will make human work irrelevant and everyone will have access to some form of universal high income. Now, if you hear that and think, that sounds amazing, you're not wrong. But if you hear that and think, that sounds dangerous, you are also not wrong. So in this video, we're not here to attack Elon Musk, and we're not here to blindly believe him either. We're here to slow this down, break it apart, and understand what part of this claim actually makes sense, and which parts people should be very careful with. So what is Elon Musk actually talking about? First, let's clarify what Elon Musk really means when he says AI will make work irrelevant. It does not mean that tomorrow robots will do everything and we all sit on beaches. Nah. What it means is this. For most of human history, income has been tied directly to labor. You work, you get paid, you survive. AI breaks that equation. Why? Because AI doesn't get tired, doesn't ask for wages, and can replicate itself infinitely at near zero cost. Once a task is automated by AI, the economic value of human labor in that task drops sharply, sometimes to zero. Does AI really threaten jobs? Hell yeah, it does. Let's be very clear here. AI is not just another tool. Previous technologies replaced muscle. AI replaces cognition. That's a fundamental shift. For example, a factory robot replaces physical labor. AI replaces decision-making, pattern recognition, writing, coding, design, and planning. And unlike humans, AI scales instantly. AI improves itself. AI costs less over time. So when a company chooses between paying 100 people salaries or paying for one AI system, the math becomes unavoidable. This leads to the next part of Elon Musk's argument, universal income. Now, if millions of people lose jobs faster than new ones are created, society has a problem because unemployed people still need food, still need housing, still need healthcare. And mass unemployment leads to instability, crime, political unrest. So from a purely economic standpoint, government may actually eventually be forced to provide some form of income not tied to work. This is not charity, it's stability. And this is why people like Elon Musk and Sam Altman talk about universal basic income, a kind of societal income support system, similar in purpose to Social Security, but designed for an AI-driven economy. But here is where the claim starts to fall apart. Time. The first massive problem with the idea that you don't need to save money anymore is time. Even if everything Elon Musk predicts eventually comes true, it won't arrive smoothly. Technology moves fast. Governments move slowly. Social systems move painfully slowly. That gap between disruption and protection is where people get hurt. History shows us this every single time. Let's take the Industrial Revolution, for example. Machines dramatically increased productivity, no doubt. But workers didn't immediately benefit. For decades, wages were terrible, working conditions were brutal, inequality exploded. Only after mass suffering, protests, unions, and regulation did living standards improve. So productivity didn't automatically equal prosperity. And AI is moving faster than industrial machines ever did. Then, who actually gets AI money first? Another uncomfortable truth is that AI does not distribute wealth evenly by default. In the early stages, wealth flows to those who own the AI models, those who control compute and data, those who set regulations. And this means inequality often increases first, not decreases. Universal income only appears after social pressure, political will, and sometimes crisis. It is not guaranteed, it is negotiated. And during this transition, money actually matters more. This is where the don't save money idea becomes genuinely dangerous. During stable times, money feels boring. During unstable times, money equals time, safety, and freedom. Saving allows you to survive job disruption, retrain or pivot, or even relocate if necessary. If AI removes your income before social protections are in place, savings are what keeps you afloat. Then again, it's also important to understand perspective. Billionaires see a different world. Elon Musk lives in a world where capital works for him, assets generate income, risk is optional, and for most people, income is fragile, savings are protection, disruption is dangerous. So when billionaires talk about a future without money worries, they're often describing their future, not yours. Also, there's a psychology of tech optimism. Elon Musk often speaks in big, absolute statements. Why? Because bold visions attract talent, shape public debate, accelerate innovation. But vision is not the same thing as instruction. When people treat futuristic predictions as present-day advice, problems begin. Therefore, a more responsible version of Elon's statement would be, in the long run, AI may make traditional work optional. But until systems adapt, individuals should still save, adapt, and protect themselves. That's much less exciting, but much more honest. So, what does all of this mean practically? It means save money, build flexible skills, use AI as leverage, not replacement. Don't wait for systems to save you. AI will reshape society, but preparation determines who benefits. AI may eventually free humanity from survival labor. That future is possible, but the bridge between now and then is unstable, unequal, and uncertain. So optimism is good, vision is good, but preparation is non-negotiable. Big ideas change the world, but clarity protects people. And until abundance is real for everyone, money still matters. I remain Emmanuel Koresh. See you in the next video.